As we age, our skin undergoes changes like reduced elasticity, increased dryness, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But the right skincare products can help rejuvenate your complexion and boost your confidence. In today's video, we'll review the top 5 skincare products for older skin, focusing on their features, benefits, and why they stand out. If you're looking for effective solutions to maintain your skin's health and glow, stay tuned. Let's dive into the list. Kicking off our list at number 1, Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Cream. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Cream is a powerhouse product designed to minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines while improving overall skin texture. Known for its dermatologist-recommended formula, this cream is a reliable option for aging skin. Key features: packed with accelerated retinol SA, this cream delivers a potent dose of anti-aging ingredients. It also includes glucose complex and hyaluronic acid to enhance skin hydration and improve the efficacy of retinol. The lightweight, fast-absorbing formula is non-comedogenic and fragrance-free. Benefits and usage: the retinol works to boost collagen production, reduce dark spots, and smooth fine lines, while hyaluronic acid locks in moisture. For best results, apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin at night, avoiding the eye area, and follow up with sunscreen in the morning. Usability: this cream is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle yet effective formulation. It's ideal for those new to retinol as it combines power with minimal irritation. Durability: each 1-ounce jar lasts several weeks with nightly use, offering great value for its price. The sturdy packaging keeps the product fresh and easy to store. In the second spot, we have the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensives. The L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensives range includes a serum and moisturizer duo designed to target fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Infused with dermatologist-tested ingredients, this product provides visible anti-aging results. Key features: this product features 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid for intense hydration and 10% pure vitamin C to brighten skin and reduce dark spots. It's paraben-free, dye-free, and formulated without synthetic fragrances, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the serum hydrates and plumps the skin instantly, reducing the appearance of wrinkles over time, while the vitamin C works to brighten and even out skin tone. Apply the serum in the morning and follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Usability: lightweight and non-greasy, it layers well under makeup and pairs seamlessly with other skincare products. It's suitable for all skin types, particularly mature and dull skin. Durability: each bottle contains enough product for several weeks of daily use. The airtight pump design ensures the formula remains potent and fresh. Coming in at number 3 is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is a daily moisturizer designed to restore the skin's natural barrier and provide lasting hydration. Dermatologist recommended, this product is perfect for aging and sensitive skin. Key features: this moisturizer contains ceramides, niacinamide, glycerin, and prebiotic thermal water to soothe, hydrate, and strengthen the skin barrier. The oil-free formula is non-comedogenic and fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the ceramides work to repair the skin's barrier, while niacinamide soothes and reduces redness. Apply to clean skin morning and night for long-lasting hydration and a smoother texture. Usability: its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin types, including dry and combination skin. It's especially beneficial for mature skin prone to dryness and irritation. Durability: the 2.5-ounce tube offers excellent value and lasts several weeks with regular use. Its simple, hygienic packaging ensures easy application and product longevity. Taking our 4th spot is Clinique Smart Clinical MD Multidimensional Repair. The Clinique Smart Clinical MD Multidimensional Repair Cream is an innovative solution tailored to address multiple signs of aging. Its dual formula system ensures targeted results for smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin. Key features: this cream includes 2 formulations, one to lift and firm with moringa extract and a second to hydrate and repair with hyaluronic acid. The dermatologist-developed product is free from parabens, phthalates, and fragrances, making it gentle yet effective. Benefits and usage. The lifting formula improves skin elasticity, while the repairing formula boosts hydration and reduces wrinkles. Use both creams together or separately, applying to cleansed skin in the morning and evening. Usability. The dual system design allows for customization based on your skin's needs, making it ideal for mature skin with specific concerns like sagging and dryness. Durability. Each jar offers a month's supply of product. The innovative packaging keeps the formulas separate and fresh, ensuring maximum efficacy with every use. At number 5, we have Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum is a cult favorite in the skincare world, known for its ability to repair and renew skin overnight. It's a luxurious yet highly effective option for addressing visible signs of aging. Key features. This serum features the Chronolix Power Signal technology to promote natural skin renewal. It also contains hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and antioxidants to protect against environmental damage. The oil-free, dermatologist-tested formula suits all skin types. Benefits and usage. The serum reduces fine lines, improves skin texture, and boosts radiance. Apply a few drops to clean skin every evening before moisturizer to wake up to smoother, plumper skin. Usability. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, it layers effortlessly under other products. It's perfect for mature skin seeking repair and hydration in one product. Durability. The 1.7-ounce bottle lasts for months, thanks to its dropper design that dispenses the perfect amount each time. The sturdy, elegant bottle ensures a premium experience. With age, your skin deserves extra care, and the right products can make all the difference. From Neutrogena's powerful retinol cream to the luxurious Estée Lauder serum, these top 5 skincare solutions cater to older skin-specific needs. Ready to invest in your skincare journey? Try one of these trusted products and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Here's to healthy, radiant skin.